Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to enable and how to disable showing apps names on the Smart Sidebar in Realme 14x phone. So first of all we need to open our phone's settings. Then in settings we're looking for accessibility and convenience menu. Then we need to go to Smart Sidebar, and when we scroll down here we have our switches. So we have file dock options, we have show recent files, and here we have our show app names switch that we can enable or disable. It's a simple on or off switch, nothing hidden here, no other options or menus. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.